Really effective leaders utilize different styles, different approaches, depending on the situation. A really good place to start is to understand Daniel Goleman's 6 leadership styles, which ones you use and which ones you don't. In this video, I'm going to paint a picture of each different style. And if you can master all 6 of them, you're really on your way to becoming a truly effective leader. I demand immediate compliance. Everything I tell you to do, you need to just do it. Don't ask me questions. Just do what I tell you to do. I am absolutely determined to win at everything that I do. What I'm really good at is when there's a crisis. I'm your man to make sure things happen. You do as you're told, you do it straight away, and everyone will be happy. But I'm not really sure why, actually, quite a few of my employees keep leaving, and they blame me. They say I'm the problem. Well, whatever. I don't need their opinion. I don't care if they leave or not. I'm right, they're wrong. I want you to see my dream. I want you to see the same vision that I've got. I want to take you places that you've never been before. I'm a confident leader. I empathize with my people. And I'm great when it comes to changing direction and taking the organisation to a new future. I mean, when it comes to change, I'm your man. Can I get a hallelujah?
Hallelujah!
Sorry? What was that? How are we going to get there? I've no idea. I thought you were going to take care of that. Anyway, let's talk about the future and let's get back to looking at the stars. I love to create harmony and social bonds between my employees. I mean, I've got so much to give. I love building relationships between all my people. Let's face it, communication, it's my middle name. If there are rifts to heal, if there are stressed out employees who need support, then look no further. I'm your man. I'll come to the rescue every time.
You're my hero!
I mean, let's face it, our people are more important than profits. I'm sure that the work will get done at some point, as long as everybody gets on. That's what really matters, isn't it? I mean, that's the most important thing. You know, the project that we've got to do or that piece of work, you know, it will get done, but let's just make sure everyone's happy. I mean, the worst thing is conflict. I hate conflict. I always think it's better to, you know, hug it out or maybe just ignore it altogether because it'll just blow over. And I always bring cake to meetings. Oh. Okay. I hear. Yeah, definitely. Okay. Forging consensus through participation. That's my motto. What do you think? I love to get valuable input from my people. I like to get their buy-in for business change, for projects that we're doing. Do you agree? I think it's really important to get that buy-in from everyone, to get everyone's views on everything that we do. Actually, maybe we should do a workshop. We should do a 2-day workshop on this, and we'll make sure we ask everybody, and we'll get everyone's ideas. What do you think? Do you agree? Do you think that's a good idea? I mean, happy to use. We can do it online if we need to. So, what about using Zoom or maybe Teams? What do you think? Yeah? No? Yeah? Maybe we should, you know, think it all through before we start doing anything. I think, you know, if we can get everyone's input, then, you know, then maybe we can start to make some decisions, but only if, you know, we can get that consensus and that agreement. What do you think? Do you think would that work for you? Actually, you know, as I'm thinking about this, maybe, I think maybe I'm just going to go and ask my wife. Is that a good idea? Okay, we've just won this project and we've been given 6 weeks to make it happen. So I'm going to make it happen in 4. Are you with me? You better have me, because if you're not, you can go and work for somebody else. Look, you know I set high standards. You know that I want to deliver results, and I'm conscientious and I need to make this work, but it's got to happen fast. Let's build some challenging and exciting goals that we can all get behind, but it's still got to happen. It's got to happen fast. I can't say that enough. And if you're not with me, you know where the door is. Anyway, I haven't got time to talk. I haven't got time to do this filming. Can we just get on with the project, please? Hi, I'm Andy. I've got questions for you. I've got lots of questions for you. I want to develop you for the future. I want you to be the best you that you can be. Are you up for it? Do you think you can do it? I know you can. I mean, that's my thing. I develop people. I help them maximize their potential. And I do this through my highly tuned self-awareness and empathy skills. And that's why they call me Coach Andy. So why not work with me and we'll give it a try? Yeah, up for it? Sure you are. Some of my people say that I'm a little bit of a micromanager, but I think it's important that I really get under the skin of what my people are doing, what they're thinking, what they're feeling. I need to walk in their shoes. I need to breathe the air that they breathe. So that's the 6 styles of leadership that Daniel Goleman outlined. A good thing to do is to do some self-reflection. Try and recognize the style that you tend to use the most. Remember that really effective leaders are good at using all of those different styles depending on the situation. You might be good at one or two of them, so make sure that you can start to bring in the ones that you don't use so much. Thanks for watching another video from Leadership Mojo. If you like what you've seen, why not subscribe and press that notification button? Don't miss any content. We try and put it out every week. Thanks for watching.